Hello everyone. Today we're going to be seeing if I can modify this old 2.4 gigahertz Linksys wireless G to have a even better antenna. As you can tell, it's rather wimpy. So why don't we go look into that? Wow, that was a lot easier than expected. It's amazing. Most of this is nothing. That's the entire card antenna. Alright, let's go about designing a new antenna. Actually, the show gets even worse. Look how small that antenna is. I thought it'd be like a third extra longer, but nope. Alright, here's the finalized design. We've got the actual unit itself, and then a PVC pipe, essentially. The design of the antenna is very simple. Basically, the actual element itself inside of this is only 31 millimeters, and then you've got your tails, is what I'm going to call them, going outward. I have 4 of them, and of course they're the same length, and they're just in here. I did notice not a speed increase, it was about the same, but we did experience a range increase, which is good because that's basically the purpose of it. I wanted to make it a longer range 2.4 gigahertz wireless adapter. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.